Welcome to Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Today is Friday, June 17th, 2022. Let's take a look at today's charts. At number one, BTC is at $20,780.38, down 7.50%. Ethereum at number two, $1,097.54, down 10.19%. Tether at number three, 99 cents. USD coin number four, $1. BNB at number five, $215.46, down 6.99%. Binance USD number six, $1. Cardano at number seven, 49 cents, down 6.06%. XRP at number eight, 32 cents, down 2.79%. Solana at number nine, $30.65, down 11.01%. And last but not least, number 10, 5 cents at Dogecoin, $7.42% down. So let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for correction. So what we got today is extreme fear at 9. Yesterday was extreme fear at 7. Last week, extreme fear at 13. And last month, extreme fear at 12. Let's take a look at our 5 articles today. Article number 1, bear market what? Bank of America study shows interest in crypto remains strong. Article 2, US man sues Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla for $258 billion on behalf of investors allegedly defrauded by Dogecoin pyramid scheme. Article number 3, here are 3 stocks likely to survive the crypto carnage. Article 4, Bill Gates pokes fun at NFTs and expensive digital images of monkeys, says he's not involved. And last but not least, the main topic today is moment groom to be 25 tried to rob corner shop at gunpoint after he lost all the money he needed for his wedding to a cryptocurrency scam as he is spared jail. Wow. So before we get into the articles, just want to say thank you so much to all my supporters and the subscribers to the Dave's Daily Crypto Take podcast and YouTube channel. Again, you can catch me on Apple, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. And if you're in the YouTube space, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, let's get into it, everyone. Article number 1. Bear market what? Bank of America study shows interest in crypto remains strong. The bear market is making things difficult for most stakeholders in the crypto industry. But a recent survey by the Bank of America shows that despite the pain, people's interest in crypto and digital assets remains high. On Tuesday, Bank of America Global Research released a study detailing the findings of their inaugural crypto digital asset survey, which was conducted at the beginning of this month. Approximately 91% of the 1,013 individuals polled by the bank indicated that they intend to purchase cryptocurrency during the next 6 months. B of A highlighted that the percentage is the same as those who had actually purchased cryptocurrency in the past 6 months. Bear market, not a hindrance to hold crypto. Some 58% of the 1,013 respondents indicated they currently hold crypto or digital assets, while 42% said they do not currently own crypto but aim to purchase some over the next 6 months, bear market or not. According to the Chief Financial Officer, Alistair Borthwick, despite economic difficulties, client borrowing and expenditure remain solid in addition to strong interest in crypto. More than a quarter of respondents to the B of A study said they have no plans to sell any of their cryptocurrency holdings during the next 6 months. As inflation fears engulf the market, it may come as a surprise to some that the crypto units have plummeted as precipitously as they have. Consumer interest in crypto is still high. Overall, our data imply that consumer interest in the sector remains strong despite the severe fall in crypto prices, Bank of America stated. Bitcoin has shed 2/3 of its value since its all-time high in November of last year, and Terra USD and its sister counterpart Luna, 1-to-1 peg to the US dollar, collapsed in May, demonstrating that stablecoins are not always as firm as touted. There are additional questions about non-fungible tokens in the survey. More than half of respondents who hold digital assets expect to purchase NFTs in the coming months, with 38% of respondents revealing they also possess an NFT. B of A's loan volume up despite bear market jitters. Chief Financial Officer Alistair Borthwick stated that the Charlotte, North Carolina headquartered American lender is on steady course to achieve a single-digit increase in loan volume this year. The wealth management unit's loans are increasing ever in the bear market, which should result in a net interest income boost to offset the transaction cost, the CFO added. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most common cryptocurrencies held by the individuals in the face of a bear market, accounting for 75% and 44% respectively. Meme coins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu ranked second at 26%, followed by stablecoins at 12%. Surprisingly, 8% of the respondents said they still own Terra USD, even though it no longer has any fundamental value today. So there you guys have it. What do you guys think about this article? Bear market? What? Bank of America study shows interest in crypto remains strong. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, article number 2. US man sues Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla for $258 billion on behalf of investors allegedly defrauded by Dogecoin pyramid scheme. Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla Inc. were sued for $258 billion over claims they are part of a racketeering scheme to back the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Keith Johnson, an American citizen who was defrauded out of his money by defendants' Dogecoin crypto pyramid scheme, sued Musk and his companies, claiming they constitute an illegal racketeering enterprise to inflate Dogecoin's price. Defendants falsely and deceptively claim that Dogecoin is a legitimate investment when it has no value at all, Johnson said in his complaint, filed Thursday in federal court in Manhattan. Johnson is seeking to represent a class of people who have lost money and trading in Dogecoin. So he says, asking for $86 billion in damages plus triple damages of $172 billion, as well as an order blocking Musk and companies from promoting Dogecoin and declaring that Dogecoin trading constitutes gambling under US and New York law. Musk didn't immediately respond to emails seeking comment on the suit. Representatives of SpaceX and Tesla's legal counsel also didn't respond right away. Dogecoin was trading on Thursday at about 5 cents and is down about 67% this year. It spiked to as high as 74 cents last year before giving up those gains. The case is John versus Musk, 22 CV 05037, U.S. District Court, Southern District of New York, Manhattan. So there you guys have it. U.S. man sues Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla for $258 billion on behalf of investors, allegedly defrauded by Dogecoin pyramid scheme. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay, article number 3. Here are 3 stocks likely to survive the crypto carnage. The cryptocurrency market has seen a bloodbath recently, as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen unprecedented drawdowns. While Bitcoin has more than halved in value by 53% this year and is currently hovering around the $22,000 mark, Ethereum has tanked by 67.6% and is currently near the $1,200 mark. This carnage in the cryptocurrency markets has deeply affected companies dealing in crypto. Earlier this week, crypto lender Celsius ordered a redemption freeze on all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts, citing extreme market conditions. Binance, the crypto trading platform, also temporarily stopped Bitcoin withdrawals for several hours, citing a stuck transaction causing a backlog. As a result of this bloodbath, Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange platform, has reduced its workforce by around 18%. In this scenario, are there any crypto stocks still worth investing in? Using the TipRanks database, we looked at 3 crypto stocks that are still worth a buy. The bloodbath in the crypto markets has meant that the cryptocurrency mining company, Marathon Digital, has seen its shares crater by 79.1% this year. Currently, shares of Mara are hovering near a 52-week low with a closing price of $6.87 as of June 15. Last week, Marathon Digital gave its production and miner installation updates for the month of May. Fred Thiel, Marathon's chairman and CEO, stated that its Bitcoin production in May was adversely impacted due to energization delays in Texas, coupled with ongoing maintenance issues at the power generating station in Hardin, Montana. Mara produced 268 self-mined Bitcoin in May, and overall potential Bitcoin production declined by 47% during May due to the above-mentioned problems. The crypto market meltdown has resulted in BTIG analyst Gregory Lewis lowering the price target by more than half to $16 from $50 earlier, while keeping a buy rating on Mara. Lewis's price target is the lowest on the street. The analyst's price target implies an upside potential of 132.9% at current levels. The analyst is of the view that Bitcoin mining stocks have slumped as cryptocurrencies have dropped, despite Bitcoin mining gross margins and staying around 65%. Lewis continues to expect crypto mining stocks to trade in tandem with the price of Bitcoin and thinks that crypto mining stocks will continue to underperform due to concerns around growth in funding. Even in this volatile crypto scenario, analysts continue to be bullish about the stock with a strong buy consensus rating based on a unanimous 5 buys. The average Mara price target is $28, which implies a 307% upside potential to current levels. Number 2, Silvergate Capital. Silvergate Capital is the parent company of Silvergate Bank, which is headquartered in San Diego and is a California state chartered bank. Silvergate Bank provides financial infrastructure services and solutions to participants in the digital currency industry. Shares of SI have tanked 56.7% this year as investors have been concerned about the company, which provides loans to institutional clients with Bitcoin as collateral through its core lending product. However, for Wells Fargo analyst Jerry Shaw, SI is still a buy as he cited the rise in digital currency customers to 1,503 at the end of Q1 versus 1,381 at the end of Q4. Shaw also pointed out that Silvergate's capital average digital currency customer deposits increased to $14.7 billion during Q1 versus $13.3 billion during Q4. Moreover, Shaw is of the view that much of the bear case is priced in at current level, and the stock has the potential to achieve the analyst price target of $120 from the current level. The analyst price target implies an upside potential of 86.1% at current levels. The rest of the analysts on the street echo Shaw and continue to be upbeat about the stock with a strong buy consensus, rating based on 8 buys and 1 hold. The average SI price target is $175.89, which implies a 172.8% upside potential to current levels. And last, number 3, Riot Blockchain. Riot Blockchain is a cryptocurrency mining and digital infrastructure company. Shares of Riot have fallen sharply this year by 78.6% from its 52-week high of $46.28, and the stock is currently hovering near its 52-week low with a closing price of $4.86 on June 15. This meltdown in the stock comes even as Riot produced 466 BTC, up by 104% year over year in May. However, Roth Capital analyst Darren Afathi pointed out that Riot's hash rate capacity of 4.6 exahash per second in May was down 2.1% month over month due to temporarily decommissioning older model machines as they are refurbished and prepped for potential immersion installation. Hash rate capacity is a measure of how quickly a crypto miner's machine processes transactions, but the analyst remains bullish on Riot's growth in the latter half of the year as the bulk of Riot's machines orders this year are scheduled for delivery throughout 2H22. FIAT has a buy rating and a street high price target of $36 on the stock, which is almost 9 times Riot's current stock price. The analyst price target implies an upside potential of 640.7% at current levels. Other analysts on Wall Street echo Shaw and continue to be optimistic about Riot, with a strong buy consensus rating based on the unanimous 4 buys. The average Riot price target is $25, which implies a 414% upside potential to current levels. So, bottom line from this list, it is evident that these 3 cryptocurrency stocks could very well withstand the crypto meltdown. So, there you guys have it. Here are 3 stocks likely to survive the crypto carnage. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right. Before we get into round 2 of the articles, just want to say thank you so much to everyone that's been messaging me and DMing me about Dave's Daily Crypto Take. I appreciate all the love and I appreciate all the support. Again, if you have friends or family that are interested in unbiased news, send them my way to Dave's Daily Crypto Take on Apple, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. And if you're in the YouTube space, like, share, and subscribe. All right, let's keep on going. Article number 4. Bill Gates pokes fun at NFTs and expensive digital images of monkeys, says he is not involved. No matter where you look these days, it seems very like every internet personality with a little bit of cash is trying to convince you NFTs is the next big thing. But here, one billionaire who isn't on board with this new business, Bill Gates. In an interview for TechCrunch's Sessions Climate 2022 event, the Microsoft founder referenced the wildly popular Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection by jokingly suggesting their existence is doing something to improve the state of the world. Quote, I don't know. I mean, obviously, expensive digital images of monkeys are going to improve the world immediately, Gates said. And that's so incredible. Anyway, I'm used to asset classes where, like a farm, where they have output of a company where they make products. And joined us at the climate yesterday to discuss economic turbulence, his views on crypto, and whether he can still avoid climate disaster. Here, we can read the full article on TechCrunch. As for his explanation of the phenomenon, Gates says NFTs are 100% based on sort of greater fool theory, in that somebody's going to pay more for it than I do. He also went on to criticize what he argued were assets made with hopes of avoiding government rules. Similarly, on the topic of cryptocurrencies, the businessman suggested he was not involved in any of it. As a billionaire, Bill Gates is obviously anything but relatable, but it's nice to see a public figure not pushing NFTs down our throat for once. There you guys have it. Bill Gates pokes fun at NFTs and expensive digital images of monkeys, says he's not involved. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, last but not least, the main topic today is moment groom to be 25 tried to rob corner shop at gunpoint after he lost all the money he needed for his wedding to a cryptocurrency scam as he is spared jail. So, an armed groom to be tried to rob a corner shop after he lost the money he needed for his wedding to a crypto scam. Louis Crosby naively converted his savings in a digital cash investment, but had been the victim of an online scam and lost the lot. Newcastle Crown Court heard within an hour of finding out all his money had gone, the 25-year-old walked into a premier shop in Sutherland, armed with a pistol, and ordered, "Give me the money, I have a gun." However, the store owner and the worker pulled behind till they put up an astonishing fight, knocked the weapon out of his hand, and kept him there until the police arrived. Crosby, who has never been in trouble before, has now been given a suspended prison sentence after a judge said the cryptocurrency disaster plunged him into a mental crisis. The court heard Crosby had put up his hood up, covered his face in a scarf, and slipped on sunglasses before he went into the shop at St. Luke's Road in Sutherland at around 10:50 p.m. on November 27 last year. Prosecutor Neil Palliser told the court the defendant approached the counter and compliant saw pointing the gun towards him through the gap at the bottom of purse and perspex screen. The defendant said, "Give me the money, I have a gun." The court heard instead of cowering away, the brave shop owner walked towards the armed raider, despite the gun still being pointed at him. And when the shop owner heard the commotion, he pressed the panic alarm and stepped in to help. Mr. Palliser said the shop owner picked up a broken broom handle to use in self-defense because he feared for his life. The shop worker then grabbed at the gun, pointed it away from himself, managing to knock it out of Crosby's hand. Mr. Palliser did. The defendant tried to escape. However, they were able to detain him until the police arrived. When Crosby was arrested, he claimed it was a joke. Crosby of Portobello Road, Sutherland, who has never been in trouble before, admitted attempted robbery and possessing a firearm at the time of committing an offense. The gun was an air pistol with a self-contained gas cartridge, but was not loaded at the time. The court heard Crosby in an undergraduate who was due to marry a Singaporean national who he met on the internet. Nicholas Lane, defending, said Crosby sponsors a child in Mali and does charitable work with the Islamic community at Sutherland Community University after converting to the faith, and it is quite remarkable he committed the offense. He added the explanation of why he came to offend in this way is he had somewhat naively invested his savings he needed for a wedding dowry for his rent into cryptocurrency, and he himself had been scammed, a victim of crime. Included a moment when he wasn't thinking straight, he took up an air pistol which he had bought off the internet and committed the offense. The court heard Crosby remains engaged, although his first wedding was canceled due to COVID and the second wedding canceled due to offense. Judge Julie Clements said she had read testimonials to Crosby's ordinarily positive character and generosity and said she accepted his shame and remorse were genuine. The judge said a doctor who assessed Crosby, who has a history of mental health problems, assessed the offense was an impulsive act in response to the loss of all of his savings. Judge Clementson said, "It is apparent within an extremely short period of time, within an hour, you made the decision to commit this offense. You must have been in a state of crisis to have acted in such a desperate manner. with thoughts swinging from taking your own life to committing financial crime to get yourself out of the situation. Jack Clemenson said Crosby must have been in a state of mental turmoil at the time of the offense, which was triggered by being a victim of crime and losing the money he had worked hard to save while a student and working night shifts. Crosby was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment, suspended for 2 years with rehabilitation requirements and a 12-month 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. curfew. So there you guys have it. What do you guys think about this article? Moment groom to be 25 tried to rob corner shop at gunpoint after he lost all the money he needed for his wedding to a cryptocurrency scam as he spared jail. Wow. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. All right, before we head out, let's take a look at the prices one last time. At number one, BTC is at $20,765.67. Ethereum at $1,096. And Tether, 99 cents. USD coin, $1. BNB, $215. Binance USD, $1. Cardano at 48 cents. XRP, 32 cents. Solana at $30. And last but not least, Dogecoin at 5 cents. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for making it this far into Dave's Daily Crypto Take. Again, catch me on Apple, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. And if you're in the YouTube space, please like, share, and subscribe. Other than that, I hope everyone gets a lovely day and see you guys in the next one. Peace.